Today's recipe is a very delicious and unique cabbage pancakes. So even if you are not a fan of cabbage, you cannot ignore it if it's made this way. Hello everyone, I'm Soumya and I welcome you back to another episode of Dash of Delight. Before heading towards the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for sure. Take a big bowl and add chopped cabbage to it. I've used half medium-sized cabbage. I'm also taking 1 bell pepper or capsicum and 2 carrots. Now, if you notice, I've done my chopping in one single shape. So I have julienned my vegetables, so please cut them likewise. Well, I have also used bell pepper and carrot with cabbage, but if you want, you can take either just cabbage or add in more veggies. That's absolutely up to you. Now, first of all, add some salt to the veggies so that they start to release water. In fact, in this recipe, we actually want our veggies to release some water, and I'll tell you why later. Toss and combine the salts properly. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric, then 1/3 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. You can also take red chili powder instead. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, but this is optional guys as we have already added cumin powder. Then sprinkle some black pepper powder. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon grated ginger. You can also use ginger paste here. Then 1 teaspoon chopped thai pepper or green chilies. Mix everything together. So guys, if you notice, I have added 3 kinds of pepper, that is cayenne pepper, black pepper powder and green chili here. Now, these are very strong ingredients. So you guys please be careful and take chili or pepper as per your preference only. Especially if you are making for kids, you can completely skip them, no problem at all. Now add 1 heaped teaspoon of chickpea flour. Then use your hands and nicely coat all the veggies in the flour. Don't add any water here. Now, since we added salt in the very beginning, so the veggies have started to release water. So just mix everything and you will not be needing more than 2 tablespoons of water. In fact, you don't have to make a batter here. Just nicely marinate the veggies in kind of a soggy or slightly wet spices and chickpea flour, and that's it. Then at last, add some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Now cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Alright, now grease a pan with some oil and place 2 tablespoons of mixture on it. Just slightly pat it, making a nice round shape. Then let it cook from one side on low-medium flame for 10 minutes. Then flip it over and cook on the other side as well. Make sure your chickpea flour or besan should be nicely cooked and should not remain raw. Look at that guys. These gorgeous pancakes have started looking so tempting here itself. Serve it hot with your favorite dip or chutney by the side and enjoy. Well, I'm hungry and can't resist myself from gulping them. You guys go right now and try out the recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.